Scott Eastwood is an American actor and model. He was born Scott Clinton Reeves on March 21, 1986 at the Community Hospital of the Monterey Peninsula in Monterey, California. He is the son of actor-director Clint Eastwood and flight attendant Jocelyn Reeves. He has a younger sister named Catherine, who was born 2 years after him in 1988, and 6 known paternal half-siblings. For the first few years of his film career, he went by his mother's last name in order to avoid nepotism. In fact, his father's name was not mentioned on his birth certificate. He spent 4 years in Hawaii before returning to California, where he graduated from Carmel High School. He attended Loyola Marymount University in Los Angeles, where he graduated with a communications degree in 2008. In August 2016, Scott opened up to the media about the death of his former girlfriend, Joelle Bragman, who was killed on September 24, 2014 by a faulty airbag during a minor car accident. In 2018, he starred as Nate Lambert in the science fiction follow-up Pacific Rim Uprising. In 2019, he was cast to play an important role in Guy Ritchie's action thriller film Cash Track, which is slated for release in 2021. In 2017, he played a special agent in the action film The Fate of the Furious and starred in Overdrive, a thriller film which was shot in Paris and Marseille. In 2016, Eastwood played Lieutenant G.Q. Edwards in the film Suicide Squad, an adaptation of the DC Comics series. Also that year, he starred alongside Joseph Gordon-Levitt and Shailene Woodley in the biographical drama film Snowden, directed by Oliver Stone, which was released in September. In April 2010, Eastwood played the lead role in Enter Nowhere, had a supporting role in David Ayer's 2014 film Furry, appeared in the 2015 music video for Taylor Swift's Wildest Dreams, and starred alongside Brett Robertson in the 2015 film adaptation of Nicholas Sparks' novel The Longest Ride. Eastwood began his career by using his given last name to avoid nepotism, although there is another actor named Scott Reeves. I have auditioned for pretty much every one of my father's movies, he said in 2015, stating that he was rejected for the Clint Eastwood-directed American Sniper. He briefly appeared in his father's 2008 film Gran Torino and played Joe Stransky in Invictus. His mother has had a great influence on him and taught him to be humble and honest. She has been his inspiration and closest confidant. His close resemblance with his father has often been hyped by the media. This was highlighted when he dressed up as the character portrayed by Clint Eastwood in the famous Western movie The Good, the Bad and the Ugly for a Halloween charity event in 2016.